Before beginning the setup, make sure the legs of the table are locked and that the linen is even all around. The barbecue in a jar station can be done on either a rectangular long table or a round table. This video will show how to set up the station on a rectangular long table. First, decide on which side you want to put the jars. Take into consideration flow of traffic. Where will the guests be coming from and where will the line form? For this video, we will assume guests are coming from the left. Start with a crate on the left side of the table for the jars. Then you will need a second element of height on the other side of the table. Here we have a black wooden chair for the coleslaw. Lastly, a third element of height for one of the bowls of barbecue sauces. Here, a black metal riser. Then, next to the crate, put out your pieces of decor, in this case 3 black wooden candlesticks. Placing them towards the back of the table will prevent them from being in the way when guests are reaching for an item on the station. Next, you want to retrieve the chafers. These are the silver containers that will keep the food hot. One will be for pork or chicken, and the other one will be for baked beans. Then you will need 4 bowls, one larger bowl for coleslaw that will go on the chair, and then 3 smaller bowls for the 3 kinds of barbecue sauces. Bowls can be round or square or a mixture of both as shown. Refer to the checklist for the correct type of bowl. The jars will be taken off the truck and go straight to the kitchen to be filled with cornbread. The jars I have are empty, but I simply want to showcase how the spacing will work. You want to put out as many jars filled with cornbread as are given to you by the chefs. The jars can go on top of the crate, inside the crate, and in front of the crate. They can be stacked too high as well, as shown. If needed, they can even occupy the space in front of the chafers. Lastly, we will deal with silverware. Take the forks out of the bag and line them up next to each other on the table as shown. Then you will need a Z-ladle for each of the bowls of sauces, a pair of tongs for the coleslaw, a serving spoon for the baked beans, and 2 smaller tongs for the pork or chicken. Once the setup is complete, take the bowls back to the kitchen for the chefs to fill for you.